Hello everyone, welcome to our new Java tutorial. So the last tutorial we saw our first how to write first Java code, and in this tutorial we will see uh, the variables in Java. So we will start from the last program, the starting point of this tutorial. So just go here and write int integer and write a variable name my integer here. And this is the variables means a box in memory where you can put something in the box, like integer mean int mean integer. So in a integer variable you can put only integer type data, like integral type data, the full data, or otherwise you can say a full value, like this. In this my integer variable we will put a full value of like 1000. See, then we will print it in the same way. Println my integer. Just run it, then you can see 1000 here. So there are 8 primitive types of variables in Java. We will discuss all of them in this tutorial in short way. So here this is a declaration of variable. Here we are declaring a my integer name variable in integer data type, and this is the way of initialization of a variable. So here we are initializing the my integer variable with 1000. We can also initialize when we declare it, see, like this. My integer equal 1000. We can also declare, we can also initialize here. So integer data type mean, we already said integer data type mean where we can put only integer type value. So 1000 is a integral type or integer type value or a full value. So here you cannot put a fractional value or floating type value. So we'll discuss all of them here. Another integer type variable is short. Short is also integer type variable. Declaring a variable my short equal 100. Here you can put up to negative 32,000 to positive 32,000, or maybe like this. I cannot remember all of them now. So my short, also print this, just copy it and put here my short. And another integer type variable is long. It's a very long data for integer types. You can put a very long data in this um, type of variables. So I'm writing my long equal 10,000 or something like this. You can put whatever you want that support the long. So just do it again, write it here my long. So now another type of variable is floating type variable. So in floating type variables you can put float type fractional type value in this box, or in this box of memory, or in this type of variable. So how to declare it like this? Another first one is double my double equal like 125.789. Here you can see we can put a fractional value in this variable. So let's print it and write here my double and another fractional value is float. It can hold less data than double. Double is a bigger value for floating type data, and right here my float equal 25.78 float. When you assign a value with my float type data, you have to put f front of the value. So if you don't put f, you will see it's a error here, because it's a you can see here incomplete types, possible lossy conversation from double to float. It's mean when you don't put a f in front of this value, the Java interpreter will understand that this is a double value. So you assigning a double value with float, that cannot be possible without typecast. What is a typecast, we will learn in next tutorial in future. So what is a typecast? So just you have to put a f here if you want to something assign with a my float or float type variable. Then this, okay, then print it here like others. My float. And another type of variable is, you can say, boolean. Sorry, boolean. Boolean equal my bool. My bool, b double o l, my bool. In this boolean type variable, you can assign only two types of value. One is true or false. The boolean can hold only true or false. Other, to false equal 0 and true equal on. So you can put also on and 0, or you can write a true or false. True, we are writing true. So just let's print it like others. Control V, and then write my bool. And another type is byte. Byte is a very short type of integer value. You can say very short type. It can hold up to on 27 minus on 27 to on 20 positive on 27 maybe. So writing my byte equal on 27. If it can hold, then we can see it. Control V. Byte. Let's print all the variables together. Here we can see our first variable was integer 1000. We assigned it 1000. Then our my short variable was 100. You can see 100. Then our my long variable was 10,000, or not 10,000, 100,000. So this is 100,000. My double variable was on 25.789 on 25.789 here, and my float variable was 25.78. My boolean was true, you can see true, and my byte variable was on 27, you can see on 27. So I'm again saying that a variable is a box of memory. When you declare a variable, of integer type, this will allocate a box in a memory for only holding the integer type of value. So 1000, here is a integer type of value. If you put here something fractional, then it will say it's error. You can see it's error because this memory was allocated for only integer type variable. So here you cannot put a float type variable like this. So I hope you understand. Oh, another type we forgot. Another type is character type variable. We say with chair mean character. So my chair. Here you can put only on character. You have to put it in a single quotation. We are putting a. Let's print it. Just right here my chair. Oh, I forgot the close bracket. So then again run it. Here you can see a. Remember one thing, that in chair type of variable you can put only on character. You cannot put more than on character. If you want to put more than on character, you have to declare string type variable. So we will discuss about string later. Now today is just for primitive data types in Java. So I hope you understand what is a variable. If you don't understand, don't worry, because learning a programming language is same to learning ordinary language. So just practice it at home and read some books about Java programming. And the main thing is you have to practice lots in home. So I hope you understand the basic concept of variable, and now practice it at home and do some research in web, and then you will understand what is a variable in details. So thank you guys. I hope to see you in next tutorial. Next tutorial we will discuss about string, class, and this. So thank you guys.